everybody. Today I'm going to show you my secondary way of heating the greenhouse through this burn barrel. This is hooked up so I can light a fire in it anytime I want, and helps emit more heat into the greenhouse so I have to rely less on this propane heater. It's pretty cool. Actually, there's a fire in here, so if we just open it up, here's how it looks. It's pretty easy to use and it's very cheap. Wood is basically free here, so it's pretty cool. Neat way on how I heat the greenhouse. Perfectly safe also. It works basically like your normal fireplace, so there's no chance of CO. I've even tested this, so pretty cool. Peace out.